Look at them all. Hi, you guys. So we're here and we are excited to be reviewing with you guys these magnetic tiles. You guys, you're going to get 104 of them. And look at them. Oh my gosh, so many of them for you to build so many different things. It also shows you, yeah?
These are for the train.
Are you gonna make a train? And so it also shows you different things that you can create with it. Oh, let's get it all out. Oh, and it comes with a bag, so that way it's gonna be easy for cleanup to be able to put all the things in here when they're done. Is that the front of the train?
Yeah.
Those stick on very easily, don't they?
Yeah.
And look, you have your train pieces.
Made it.
You made it. Put a window here.
There. You don't want it to stick. Yeah. No. Yeah. Just put down there. And then we have to do the roof.
Okay.
What does one like this?
You want it this way?
Or doing it up?
Oh, you want to do it up?
Yeah.
Oh, let's put another window there.
I bet you want me to give you some more? And what?
What do we have?
The whole, so these are going to be the trees.
Is it?
And the castle is going to be way taller than the trees.
Okay.
Well, it's actually going to be thin.
Here, let's do another one here. Go upside down.
Have some more.
Okay. Right there, maybe?
And,
You made a tent?
and now we're making a big tent.
And you're making a big tent. I love it.